Alright guys, got one of my good buddies, man. Got it side by side out here. Finna go ahead and get the music situated. Finna put a tablet on here. Get the tablet playing with the music. Basically, finna make it to a mini car. And then I got my nice returning customer here. We finna actually go ahead and tweak him a little and get him a little bit louder and go ahead and get him situated. But right now, I'm working on this. I'm gonna get this out the way. Then I'm gonna tackle that. And then I got like 2-3 more customers coming today. But hey, we're gonna get it done. Hopefully this weather hold off. So hey, it is what it is. Like I say, man, that's a badass contraption, man. So get a good video. I don't think I even did a video of me building this one. I know I did a video of me building the others. I'm not quite sure if I did a video or not of me building this one, but you'll definitely get some live footage today of it. And I can tell you right now, this thing is fucking amazing, man. So it's another one too, though. It's a few out there I done that I ain't do a video on. And I shit you not, man, my other homeboy, I shit you not, his is just fucking insane. Both of these right here, I try to make it to the most insane portion, this one and his, because of the fact, if it weren't for them, I would have been gave up on doing car audio, music, installs, all that. I would have gave up a long time ago, but they motivated me, pulled up on me and told, you know, like, man, look, I know you don't need to stop doing it, man. Keep doing it, man. Just do mine, man. Do mine. And, you know, after that, man, we all became good ass friends. You know, we always knew each other, of each other. And I mean, I can't lie, man. Them boys, they'll motivate me every fucking day to go harder, man. I can't lie. And doing stuff like this make me go harder. So let's see what the outcome gonna be of this one, man. So we're gonna get it louder. Let's get it. All right, guys, we all done. We got a Rockville Marine amp back here. 4 PRV 6.5s, and we have 3 PRV horns. Damn, what size horn these is? They are the 270s, the PRV 270s. We got the tablet installed, and we have it connected. Let me make sure. We have a switch here for the radio itself. You can save music to the tablet, or you can work it off of hotspot, which I have my hotspot connected right now. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to the Bluetooth connections. We're gonna turn everything on. I have a Bluetooth receiver hooked up to everything.
Connected.
As you can see, everything is connected now. You just adjust the volume of the tablet just like you'll do a normal radio, up and down. So we're gonna go and try to find some music we can listen to that I don't get copyrighted off of. So I mean, everything is basically new here, so you know, I'm basically getting everything hooked up. And like I say, internet, everything working, so you'll be able to ride down the road, watch videos, listen to your music, everything at all at once. As you see, YouTube pulling up. I mean, the damn thing is pretty fucking loud, but we finna get into it. We finna see just how loud it is since I did everything and changed everything over, so let's get it. All right, guys, I had to leave my mom house, come down the road, because I ain't want her complaining about the loud music. Anywho, man, everything in, everything done. I'm trying to get some non-copyright music going, so I don't, you know, hold up. Let me press the button here. There we go. All right, we're going. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let me get back in. boy. There you have it, guys. Another little quick little solid little video. It's your boy B Smooth. I'm finna go in here and drop my boy side by side off. So we finna go for a ride for y'all. We finna go for a ride, y'all. You know, hey, it won't be me if I ain't drive this thing when it come down. So it's a stress reliever. It's a stress reliever. So stay tuned for more. Like I say, I still got another Buddydolla, another side by side. And you know, that bitch working too. They all working. So like, share, subscribe. Boy, see you next Friday. Alright, we out here.
Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit $1 million lick. Ayy, I'm tryna get it for my kids. Told her pop that pussy for the money, not the clout. Ayy, I'm tryna see what you about. She's a very freaky girl, she know how to work the pole. Ayy, make them throw a large amount. Real trap niggas and they ready to cash out. You ain't making shit if you just doing it for the clout. You ain't making shit if you just